Okay, Duncan, show us what you like to do on the couch. It's Duncan's favorite playground. Ready? Show us what you do. No. Ready? Boing! You're having fun. Ready? Boing! Boing! Ready? Where you going? Woo! You can't fall off the back. Ready? Boing! Crack me up, kid. You about to scoot off the couch. Baby butt. You're so silly. That? Ready? Boing! You're goofy. All right. Bye-bye, Duncan.